Hello, Dhamma friends around the world. Today I want to share a very gentle reminder about affirmation, not the modern style of forcing positive words, but the real Buddhist way, which is very soft, mindful, and deeply transformative. In Buddhism, affirmation is not just saying like I am happy, I am rich, I am peaceful. Real affirmation begins with awareness, right intention, and right effort. Affirmation begins with truth, Sacca in Pali language. The Buddha teaches us that transformation starts when we accept the truth of our life with an open heart. Before we say, I am peaceful, we first become aware of our mind. We observe our breath. We notice our thought without fear. This honesty itself is the first affirmation. Mindfulness is the foundation, that is Sati in Pali language. A Buddhist affirmation is not only a sentence, it is a practice. When we breathe in, we say silently, may I be calm. Something like this. When you breathe out, may my mind be free. Not just words, but a gentle planting of seeds inside the mind. Affirmation must follow right intention, Sammā Saṅkappa. The Buddha teaches that the mind becomes what it thinks again and again. So, our affirmation should be pure, compassionate, wholesome, filled with metta, the loving kindness. We don't affirm to show ego, we affirm to purify the heart. Repetition with wisdom, Paññā. When you repeat wholesome words again and again with mindfulness, they slowly become part of our character. My dear Dhamma friends, the Buddha said, the mind is cheap. Whatever we think we become. So when we think with kindness, we become kind. When we think with confidence, we become strong. When we think with generosity, abundance naturally comes. This is the truth. Affirmation becomes powerful when supported by actions. That is Kamma. If we say, may I be wealthy, but continue living in fear, laziness, and negativity, the mind cannot change. We cannot be wealthy. But if we say, may I grow, and then we work, learn, share, help, and keep sila, moral discipline, then the universe begins to support us. Otherwise, universe will not support us. We will never and ever gain anything, whatever times we affirm daily. So in Buddhism, affirmation, action, and transformation. The highest affirmation is Metta. The most powerful affirmation, thought, by the Buddha is, may all beings be happy. When our heart becomes large, our life becomes large. When our heart becomes pure, our thought becomes smooth. The one who wishes happiness for others naturally, automatically receives happiness in return. This is the truth, my dear Dhamma friends. My dear friends, affirmation is not magic. It is a gentle training of the mind. When we think with truth, speak with kindness, and act with wisdom, our life slowly becomes peaceful, abundant, and of course meaningful. Let us practice Buddhist affirmation every morning with a calm mind. Something like this: may I be peaceful, may I be wise, may I be free from fear, may I walk on the path of Dhamma. My dear friends, this is the real way of affirmation in the Buddhist way. Simple truth and full of compassion. So, thank you each and everyone. May all beings be blessed. All of you always stay positive and good things will come to you. Thank you everyone with lots of metta. Thank you all.